the presentation. So this is the wrap for Monday, October 5th. I'm Yochai Lam of Forex Crunch, Market Movers for FX REIT. We had a terrible non-farm payrolls on Friday with all the wrong figures, weak job gains, negative revisions, wages not going anywhere fast. And this, of course, hurt the US dollar across the board. We had euro dollar, of course, jumped above 113, but then we had second thoughts of the markets, and they said, okay, if the United States isn't leading the world, who can? And the United States dollar strengthened once again. Okay, that was the big event. We are still feeling the echoes of it today, and we'll still hear about that towards the rest of the week, especially when we have the FOMC meeting minutes on Thursday. Other developments, talks resume about Greece. It's currently in the back burner, but we talked about that. China is on holiday, so that allows the Australian dollar to rise. We have an important rate decision in Australia. I think the RBA is not set to cut the interest rate, but they might change their language, be a bit more cautious about the economy, cautious about China, a bit more worried. That could maybe send the Aussie dollar back down. Talk about the Fed hike in the context of the NFP. Markets moved it to March, but we're still expected to hear from the many Fed officials, and then we might see more reactions. We had UK services PMI miss expectations, hit 53.3 points right here, and that hurt the pound just a bit against the dollar, euro, and yen. And most important event of the day is the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. At 2 GMT, we're expecting 57.7. Still expecting strong growth in the services sector, but as we've seen from other countries, I'm not sure we'll get that quite fast. And a quick look at currencies. Dollar is weakening once again, but a bit more against commodity currencies than the rest. Euro dollar still in range a bit higher. Pound dollar, well, was beaten now by the services PMI. Dollar yen hugging the 120. Dollar CAD falling quite nicely to 131, still above support at 130. Aussie dollar getting close to resistance at 71. And Kiwi dollar broke earlier above 65, which is an important level. So that's the wrap for today. I see we have a few more questions, so I'll try to answer them quickly.